Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the no gloves driver model in Assetto Corsa. So to do that, first you'll have to download a couple of files. I'll put the link for these two files in the description. First you'll come to this link. This is the Brian O'Connor mod, which is basically the driver model without any gloves. So you're going to be downloading that from here. But to download that from RIS department, you'll need an account. I already have an account, so I can see the download link. But if you don't see it, you'll just have to go make an account and then click download. It will be downloaded. Next, you will have to download this config file right here. So once you go to this link, you'll just click download here, and that should download as well. So because it's a .ini file, Chrome might block the download, but it's perfectly safe, so you can just go ahead and download the unverified file. Once you have these two files downloaded, okay, before I go to the next step, I'd like to clear this up. Like, if you don't feel safe downloading this file, you can make this on your own. You just go to here, you just make a new text document and then copy these lines into your text document, save, and then rename it to whatever I have, but also you have to make sure that it's a .ini file. But as I'm telling you, this is perfectly safe. This is the file I created myself and uploaded, so it's completely safe to use and everything. So I'll be showing the tutorial with this one. So once you have these two files downloaded, you're gonna open the zip file for the mod. Now you go to Steam, Assetto Corsa, go to the main Assetto Corsa folder, then content folder, and driver folder. Now you can extract this file here, which I already have. I'm gonna place anyway. Okay, now you're done with the first file, which is this one. Now how are you gonna use the second one? Well, go to content manager. So for this tutorial, I'm assuming you already have content manager installed, because I'm not gonna get into that, like how to install content manager, stuff like that. I'm just assuming you have content manager installed, which is very simple. You should be able to find some tutorials online for that. So once you have that, let's choose a car where you want that driver model without gloves. So for me, let's just pick one. I'll pick a street car. Let's see, I have this one. Let's say I have this one, which is a modded car, by the way, but that has nothing to do with the mod. You can just select the car. Okay, actually this might not be the best example. I'll choose a default one. Let's say the M4, and then you also have to choose a specific skin for, or like paint for that car where you want to use the model with. So for us, let's just say we're gonna be using that with, I don't know, this yellow metallic paint. So okay, and now what you're gonna do is manage car. Click manage car. Now you should see this folder button here. Click that. This will bring you to the car folder. You are now going to go to skins folder and find the paint that you want to use the model with. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to use it with the yellow metallic paint. So I'm going to open that folder, and here what you're going to do is you're going to copy this config file and put it here. Okay, if you want to use it with like other skins, you could do that. You're just gonna have to paste it in each of the folders. Let's say I want to do it for another car, this one. I'd go to its folder. This one has only one skin. I'll just paste it in here. Perfect. Now you can choose that car from content manager, and once you're in the game, you will see that you have the skin, but I will for demonstration, I will show you. I'll start the game with this car and I'll come back to you as we're in the game. Alright, now we're in the game, and as you can see, we have the hand. So for this, you might need to change the sitting position a little bit. So what you're gonna do is just just go a little forward. Just adjust it to your liking. Alright, I'll keep it at that, and now we can close this and start driving.